Hey guys, another look at this teardown that I've done. The motor, showed you at the end of the last video, the brushes were completely corroded and fallen apart. The pinion gear is split. I've cleaned the commutator, so I've got a bit of a shine to it, and cleaned the actual shaft itself because that was, well, it got stuff on it where there was corrosion elsewhere. So that does at least spin freely now. I've got quite a few other little motors that I can just pinch the end cap off. I mean, I could replace the whole motor, but I would like to keep as much of the original as possible. So I'm hoping that if I just pull that end cap off, stick it on here, and we'll see if this one actually still runs, see if the commutator is still I've forgotten what that bit's called. Oh well, never mind. See if that's still in one piece. It looks like all the wires are okay. So I think we'll be all right if we just replace the end cap with the brushes. So for convenience, we'll use one of these. Might use that one. You see, this is one that I've used in the past. Hot glued various bits and pieces on it. Hot glue stuck on it. No, it's not hot glue, it's where the wires are actually soldered onto the case to make the case positive or negative. Anyway, looks like we've got some good brushes in there. So for now, we'll just try putting that on there. That'll be too many volts, but we'll just see if it spins. Yep. That's spinning. You can't see it, but I can hear it. Although, just a point, I think I've put that in upside down, which means it'll be going in reverse. Although that doesn't really matter, it's just a matter of which way round we connect the power wires up. Right, next, we need to replace the pinion gear. And I just happen to have quite a few gears. It's a matter of whether we got any of the right size. Oh, come on. Oh, I'll just turn the heater off. It's rather cold here today. I've actually got my heater on, which is a noise in the background. Right, that should be a bit quieter. My apologies if that was too noisy. Right, so pinion gear. That looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pins, 9 teeth. That looks like that's got 9 written on it. Looks about right. Okay. I might just go and spray it with lubricant because that old grease has gone lumpy and hard. So we'll come back in a minute when I've cleaned it a bit. See if we can get it all back together now. I've put all the gears in. This is lithium grease. Okay. Just give it a little test. I might push that down the shaft a little bit. Because that was the position it was in, but it was split, the previous one, so it probably slipped. Let's move it down just a little bit. Right, I think we're all in position. Try that again. Right, so that's running. We'll put the screws back in, and then we'll look at trying to resolder all these little wires. There's a good chance that they're corroded in a way that we can't solder them, and they'll need replacing, but we'll find out. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.